So I am trying to make my bed a little bit warmer here. I'm putting 1-inch insulation down, and then under that I have a 3/8 inch cedar lattice. So that goes all the way up to the front of the bed. See, it goes all the way up there. And so you can see how air will travel through the lattice. Then you put this hard insulation board over it and your mattress over that. And what's nice about it is that it will, these, I want to move these a little bit closer. Okay. Maybe I'll go right over there. Here, out of there. There. Yeah, I don't want too wide of a gap up here. So anyway, there. Okay. That will support the insulation and provide an air gap under the bed so that there'll be airflow and it won't have a condensation issue. Okay, so let's see how that works out. Try that for a couple of weeks and see what kind of problems, if any problems, this has. But the bottom of the mattress was a little bit not wet, just, clammy. And so anyway, this here I'm hoping will keep me warmer because now I have an inch of insulation between me and the bottom of the cab over. So hopefully my bed will be a little bit warmer. Okay, so let's stuff the mattress back up there and the foam pad. This mattress is absolutely useless without the foam pad. It is that bad. Okay, got the bed made and my new flannel sheets on. I'm looking forward to the flannel sheets. They're going to be nice and warm, but you can see I've got my lattice work under there. You can see that there's an air gap. And there's my 1 inch of styrofoam insulation. And so this should be pretty good. The only thing I have to do is push down on the mattress to open my doors. But that's all right. That'll just keep the doors from flying open when I am traveling. Okay, so there you go. Okay, now for this end of the camper. Got to clean all this stuff out here too. All right, let us continue.